Hi, Dr. Shirlene here. I just wanted to say hello from Oaxaca. So, hola, mi amigas, ¿cómo estás? Which means, how are you? I'm having a blast on my vacation with Annie Poole. We have had so much fun shopping, and she is all about being a badass. And she's the reinvention specialist. And look, we got this really cool hat. What do you think? I'd love it if you'd tell me what you think of my hat, because this is a new thing for me. So I'm going to start wearing it, and you'll know I'm the lady with the white hat. So Oaxaca is really awesome. We went to the ruins the other day. I don't know if you saw my little video. And we've been trekking around in the shops, and I can't tell you how many Mexican outfits there are with just tons of embroidery. But you know what? Bottom line, I'm living the lifestyle I have always dreamed of. And if I hadn't built my business and I didn't know how to sell, I'd never be in the place that I am today, talking to you from Oaxaca, Mexico. Many of you already know I have a home on the beach in San Felipe, Mexico, which is in Baja. And it's just such a fabulous place. And hopefully I'll have an event someday so that you can come and experience the energy of the Sea of Cortez. But I'm telling you, people, if you want to live the lifestyle of your dreams, you want to learn how to sell. It's so important. And build your business so that you don't need to have millions of dollars in the bank in order to live the lifestyle that I live. All you need is multiple streams of income. And we could talk about that if you like. But first of all, let's get you going on your sales. Let's get you started today. All you have to do is go to heartbasedselling.com, and I've got all kinds of free stuff right there for you. Just go and check it out, and it gives you all kinds of tips about how to get your business up and running in sales. And also, I can talk to you about overcoming that fear that so many others have when it comes to actually walking up to somebody and starting a sales conversation. I would love to hear from you. Let me know how you like my hat. And thanks so much for listening in today. Adios. Hola, it's Dr. Shirlene again, and I am now out at Mitla, and these are the ruins, and you can kind of see the ruins right behind me, right? And they're just absolutely amazing. I thought I'd show you around a little bit, and as I said before, this is all about lifestyle and living the dream that you've always wished so that you could travel anywhere you want to go. If you're a traveler, this is the best thing that can possibly happen. And these are the second set of ruins that I've been out at here in Oaxaca. They have some really beautiful areas here. It's just amazing what you can see. Okay, so here you go. Here are the ruins, and it's quite a long drive out of town. We came by taxi, Annie Poole and I did, and it's about $15 to get out here, so that would be 300 pesos. And the driver's so nice. He's staying with us to make sure we're safe, and it's a pretty safe area, I gotta tell you.